I'm here at First Degree Systems and I'm joined here by Greg Beecham. Greg, software clearly is the name of the game. It's fenestration software that you guys are specialising in, isn't it?
Definitely. We've had some 30 years experience within the industry. Was developed by Simon Farmer, who is still the MD to this day. And we basically have a full end-to-end suite of software for the industry, from front-end sales right the way through to manufacture, out the door to delivery systems as well. So we encompass the entire sort of software requirement for windows, doors, conservatories and the like.
You've got some snazzy software here you're going to show us, which is called Fango, am I right?
Yep. Fango is our mobile platform product. Now what's really important here is that this year's Fit Show sees Fango coming of age really. We launched it last year, Fango 2, and the year before that as Fango. What's really come forward this year is the fact that we've now brought the Fango integration into our main product. So this look and feel can also come through to the main product. What's really important about it is it's touch orientated in relation to, instead of being a technical interface, it's much more user-friendly, engages with the customer. So typically creating a quotation, we can come into the system and like you'd expect from the app generation, I suppose, it's point and click. That's what we want to do. Do we want to do that? Yep, there we do. Do we want to move forward? So it's very much user-friendly, engaging with the customer the whole way through to produce windows. The idea is that the salesperson can be in the home with the client, discussing the requirements with the client, engaging with the client, looking over, seeing what they're doing and making the modifications immediately there. Traditionally, you had price books, you had all the complex nature of, hang on a minute, I'll just ring somebody up, I'll do this, I'll do that. It's all done in front of the customer. So it's very easy now to engage with them and potentially close the sale on the product that you're looking to supply to the customer.
I love that you can just see everything. As a customer, I'm probably more likely to be a customer. And, you know, if you're going to choose a new door or a new window, the problem I always find is thinking, well, I can see it in the brochure, but I don't know how it's going to look on my house. Is this going to help with that?
Well, definitely. I think one of the things that you can do with the new system is this year sees the integration of the photo designer system that was from the original first Fango that we did. And one of the things that enables you to do is take a photograph of the customer's house. So there's the house. One of the issues that we've got there is taken at a funny angle. So one of the things that we can do is correct that image. Let's just do a quick bit of correction. Come back, and then what we can do is we can add that window that we've just done to the property.
That's genius.
15 seconds, and then if we want to send that to the customer, we simply click on that and we can send it.
Wow, so you can really see what something's going to look like, which has got to make it easier to close that deal, but that they can actually see their own house and go, yeah, I love that.
Yeah, the customer can also, this can be set up for a showroom sort of instance where the customer can bring in a memory card, maybe their own photos, and that can be done in the showroom with the customer at the same time. And also a lot of these Fango integrations come into the main program, so it just makes it simpler, it engages the customer can see what they want, the customer can be sent the details immediately, so it gives them basically everything that they could wish for as a sales tool, as a survey tool, as a processing tool to be in this industry.
And once they've seen everything that they want to see and they've agreed it, you know, can they actually even just close the deal using your software?
Definitely. So if we pop back now, there's our quotation. The customer says, yeah, I really like that. What we can do from there, simply click on accept the order. The system generates a PDF. Now, traditionally, you'd have your terms and conditions ready and laid out. This is just generating. So there we go. In this instance, it's our order confirmation with our branded header. But everything in the system can be branded to the customer. We simply say accept. Just click OK on that. And that will automatically then send it off to the email that's attached to the system, and the job's done.
That's really impressive stuff. So how has Fit Show been for you in terms of new customers and meeting people?
Very busy. Today, tremendously busy. We haven't stopped talking all day so far. It's been really good today. We've seen some new faces, some old faces. We've made some existing friends and sort of brought everybody back on board. And so, yeah, it's been really good today.
Yeah, because I think this part of the market is so important. You know, we see a lot of innovation and technology in the windows and doors themselves, but actually it's having that innovation all the way through, and this is so innovative.
Yeah, I think what we see here is the fact that we're always slightly behind the curve because we don't develop the products, but what we have to do is react as quickly as we possibly can to those products being developed to give the wider audience what they need to process goods, to sell the goods and look after their customer base. So yeah, that's where we really are. We've got so much to offer. And this year we've got the largest stand that we've had in 3 years. So, you know, it's a nice sort of upscale for us as well. It's been much more comfortable. We've usually been very cramped. So yeah, it's been exciting times. You know, it's been a great show today, and you know, hopefully tomorrow will be exactly the same.
Well, thank you so much, Greg, for showing us around Fango. Very impressive stuff. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you very much indeed. Take care.